Okay. You were talking about a different chapter, too, other than Chapter 7?
Well, Chapter 13 is the other common chapter that consumers use, and that's a reorganization. That's where you're repaying either all or a percentage of your debt over time, and it's often used to save a home that's in foreclosure. It allows you to make your regular mortgage payment on time once again and pay the part that you fell behind, which is known as the arrearage, over the next 3 to 5 years. So it really gives you a long area of breathing room to catch up. And it's usually because the mortgage company won't let you catch up on your own. They want it all, lump sum, to catch up.
Right now,
They're getting a little bit more willing to work with you now because there's a crisis and they've got a lot of properties that they had to buy back through foreclosure. So they're a little bit more willing to let you work a payment plan, but typically Chapter 13 is the way that dictates, this is what I'm going to pay back, you have to accept it, it's going to work over the next 3 to 5 years, and if I can do so, I've eliminated the debt or repaid the debt over time.
and what's that going to cost me?
That's going to cost $281 for a filing fee. Once again, anywhere in the country, it's the same fee. This is federal law. Attorneys' fees are going to range, but on average, about 90% of the attorneys are charging the flat fee, which is approved by the court, which is $3,500. And that typically gets paid out over time. So you don't really need to come up with that much money for a 13 up front.
How much time?
Well, you can pay it off over 3 to 5 years. It gets lumped in. The attorney's fees, you become a creditor. So you get paid a little bit per month, the auto gets paid a little bit, the mortgage, and then lastly are the unsecured debts such as credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, and services.
So it just depends upon the term or the length of my plan payments.
Right, and the amount you're going to pay is going to depend on what you have in terms of income, expenses, and of course, the debt.